How to use blueprints in Zoho CRM. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to Zoho CRM website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to use blueprints in Zoho CRM, you need to go to the settings first. Tap on the settings icon in the bottom left. Now you will see different settings menu appear in the left hand side. At the top you can see the search bar. Tap on it and search for blueprints and select this. Now you will be prompted to the blueprint page. From here you can create a new blueprint. Tap on this create blueprint option. From here you can create a new blueprint. Provide the blueprint name, select the blueprint module. You can choose the layout for your blueprint, choose the fields, and that's it. The blueprint has been created. Now you can activate this blueprint. Tap on this toggle icon. That's how you can easily use blueprints in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.